Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need working drivers and a supported Blender build. Install the latest GPU drivers now. Once done, launch Blender and open Edit Right Arrow Preferences Right Arrow System. Here, you choose CUDA or OptiX for NVIDIA or HIP for AMD and check your card under Devices. Make sure to enable all GPUs you plan to use. This gets you into GPU mode. It's the essential first step, because Blender won't render on hardware that's not enabled at the system level. Now configure the render engine for performance. Switch from Eevee to Cycles in the render properties because Cycles uses GPU compute for ray tracing. Next, set device to GPU compute. That tells Blender to run render kernels on your GPU. Then open Performance Settings and choose an appropriate tile size. GPUs usually need larger tiles like 256 x 256 or 512 x 512 for optimal throughput. Also consider enabling persistent data and experimental features if you use many textures or out-of-core resources. Finish by running a sample render and watching your GPU load in Task Manager or equivalent. You should see sustained GPU utilization. If Blender crashes or falls back to CPU, update GPU drivers, toggle OptiX/CUDA/HIP, and disable third-party add-ons that hook the renderer. If you hit memory errors, reduce texture sizes, enable out-of-core options where available, or split the scene into render layers. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched driver or Blender versions usually cause failures. Update both and retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.